Hello guys, now we'll create a new hard disk partition. Simply right click to this PC icon, click manage, then go to the disk management. Okay, below right click to the C partition and click shrink volume. Okay, a little of time. Now you can put your size, your partition size you want to create. In megabyte, 20,000 megabyte. Okay, new simple volume. Next, new volume. Finish. Okay, now we have a new partition with name new volume E. That's it. Thank you guys. Hello guys, in this lecture we will copy or cut our important data to the new partition copy of hard disk E. Okay, simply copy our important data or cut and paste as follows in the new partition E. That's it guys. Thank you for watching. Hello guys, now we will create a bootable USB drive using Rofus tool. First we'll run this application, this tool. Okay, this application. Make sure you have a copy of Windows 10 image, ISO image. Okay, and you should to put your USB drive into laptop or PC like me, my USB. Make sure it's above 4 gigabyte. Okay dear. Device my USB, disk or ISO. Select. Here I want to select the ISO image of Windows 10. Okay, we can now press start. This is a warning message, say that all data or ask about clearing all information in my USB. Okay, be careful about your information. If you have some information in your USB, this operation clear all information in your USB. Okay. Rufus Tools now make a bootable USB drive. Now the USB is ready to boot from our computer or laptop and install Windows. Thank you for watching. Hello guys, here we have another method to make a bootable USB drive from Microsoft by using media creation tool. The same way we have download the ISO image of Windows 10. This same tool can create a bootable USB drive. First, download the media creation tool from Microsoft. Okay. Open the tool now. Okay. Let's take some amount of time. Okay, accept the license terms. Simply that's it. Okay, now create installation media. We check the second option, create installation media, and click next. Okay, now we can choose language, edition, architecture. We choose 64 one. Okay, English, United States. Next. Now we choose the first option, USB drive, and click next. Make sure you put your USB flash drive into your PC or laptop, and this tools automatically will take this USB. Now the USB is ready to boot. Hello guys again. Now we want to enter the BIOS and change the boot order for our computer or laptop to boot from USB. First, put your USB into your laptop or PC. Second steps, we want to restart our computer or laptop and enter BIOS. Okay, first go to start and restart our computer. My friend, usually to enter the BIOS system you should to press F2 in the keyboard at most laptops, and it depend on laptop models, so usually F2. So now I want to enter the BIOS. F2. Okay, now I'm in the BIOS. Go to the boot menu and change the order of BIOS of boot. Okay, removable devices. Put the removable devices, the first one, and press F10 to save and exit. Yes.